practicing and making a bed nest. And if you don't know what a bed nest is, I will tell you real quick. So, yeah, let me tell you. So, hold up. Before we keep talking about this bed nest, so if you guys didn't see my community post on YouTube, I said that I would post a Christmas video of me playing Roblox. It's like a gaming video. And if you guys didn't know, I didn't get to post it yet. So don't worry, that video will be coming on Christmas Eve, which is tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video. And sorry I haven't been keeping up with my videos, but don't worry guys, that video is coming on Christmas Eve. Anyways, who's excited for Christmas? But let's get back into this video. Basically, a bed nest is like mostly people make a bed nest like the day before Christmas. Like they'll make it the night because you know they want to sleep comfy. You know, like sometimes it's hard to sleep on Christmas because you're so excited, just like me. And so they make a bed nest so they can go to sleep. And yeah, so like bed nests, I'm going to show you later on in the video. I'm going to make one. I'm going to try and practice to make one. And if you guys didn't know, I have a loft bed, so it might be a little bit harder to make a bed nest. And I'm trying to search up like how to make a bed nest with a loft bed, and there's like no videos. So if you have a loft bed as well and you want to learn how to make a bed nest like me, but you better keep watching this video so maybe you can learn how to make one with me. By the way, if you're doing this at the same time as me, like if you're doing it while watching this video, here are the items that you will need. I will put a list right here, so pause the video so you can see the list. Now let's practice making the bed nest for Christmas. So first, you're going to spread your big blanket out like this. Then after that, you're going to fold it, but let me show you how. Just like this, and then you're going to fold the end parts. Just like this. And now we're going to put pillows around it. This is looking so good. Now this is optional, but if you have a big bear like me, you can put it in the corner, and that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, let me show you my big bear. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Now we gotta add some more blankets. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's looking so comfortable. Now my favorite part, it's time to add the stuffed animals. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at this. And now the official parts. I am going to jump in it. Time to jump in. 3,